Today I weigh 195 pounds. I decided to try Hoop Fit as a fun way to begin working out at home. It's a great way to get a full body and cardio workout every day. It's adjustable so it can fit all body types, and it's designed to stay attached to your waist for a harder and more effective workout session. 20 minutes a day with your Hoop Fit will boost your metabolism and help you tone your body. I'm obsessed. You can start your fitness journey now while it's 50% off. You won't regret it.
I have been seeing this Hoop Fit everywhere, so I decided to give it a try. Now, core workouts we know are obviously a great way to get in shape, but they can be hard and time consuming. This Hoop Fit is a fun alternative to get you a full body workout, but in just 30 minutes. And it feels just like hula hooping from when I was a kid. Now, I've been using it for 30 minutes a day in my daily routine, and people have already told me that they could see a difference. And the cool part is that it's adjustable with its sizing. So that means that it will fit any body type and it'll adjust as you lose weight. So you have to go check it out while it's 50% off. You won't regret it.
Comparison to my very first Infinity Hoop video.
How to use the Infinity Hoop, okay? Mine is like 1.5 put together because I'm a big old girl. But you can definitely connect more than one together. So if you're worried about your size, that's fine. Just get an extra one and put them together. This is how you put them together. There's little locks right here. And you just go like this and snap it together. And then you take your weighted ball.
Don't wait.
And you slide
and get
it
yours today.
through this little opening right here.
Just hoop.
Alright. And then you attach it to your butter. Y'all see how big? Ooh. This right here is gonna help you, girl, get good, okay? So you just attach it like that. And I have to try and make sure that it's like even, okay? And then I'm gonna try this, guys. I'm no hula pro, okay? So you just gotta keep getting some used to it. Yeah.
I should have never bought this thing. I lost too much weight. I didn't want these to actually fit. I haven't been able to wear these in over 2 years. It's too convenient. And I'm having way too much fun. Whatever you do, do not use my code for 10% off.